Hi, and welcome to Nittany Cow Tutorial 1, Setup. This tutorial will cover items for the basic setup options of Nittany Cow, as well as the file structure. As you view this tutorial, you may want to pause the video so that you can follow along on your computer, and you can always watch this tutorial again until you are comfortable with the topics that are covered. For more information on anything you see here, please visit our website, www.nittanycow.com. When you install your 30-day free trial, one of the first things you will see when you open up Nittany Cow for the first time is the Application Settings window. This is where you will establish the basic settings for all of your Nittany Cow rations. First, make the appropriate selections for region, country, currency, and language preferences. Currently, there are no alternate choices available for these settings, but additional options will become available in the future as we customize Nittany Cow for international markets. Next, select the appropriate units of measurement for weights, energy, and bulk feed price. These items will determine how nutrients and prices are listed when you create a ration in Nittany Cow, which we will see in Tutorial 2. The Application Settings window also allows you to establish custom fields to track nutrients specific to your business, which are not already tracked for you in Nittany Cow. If you have not had an opportunity to determine whether or not you require any custom fields, you can always establish custom fields later, either by revisiting the Application Settings window or by creating a custom field from within a ration. For now, let's suppose that you wish to establish a custom field for the tracking of a generic enzyme that is typically added to specific feeds in your rations. First, enter the name of the nutrient in the first blank space in Custom Field 1. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the appropriate unit of measure to track the nutrient concentration. This field will now display in the custom worksheet of each ration you create, providing a fast and easy means for you to track any nutrient that may be specific to your business. You can add multiple custom fields to your rations. Finally, the Application Settings window allows users to set up a disclaimer, which will appear on any ration report you generate. If you wish to include a disclaimer on your reports, simply type the text into the blank field at the bottom of the window as you would like it to appear on your reports. Although we call this a disclaimer, the text can contain any information you deem relevant, up to 8,000 characters in length. Once you have established your settings, click the Save button. Please remember that you can change any of these settings later by selecting Setup from the main menu, then selecting Settings. Also note that if you change these settings at a later time, rations created before the settings were altered will retain the previous format, and only subsequent rations will reflect the changes made here. In addition to your user settings, you may want to set up unique clients, mills, or breeds that can be associated with your rations. We will see how to associate rations with specific clients or breeds in Tutorial 2, but for now, we will cover how to set up this information. These steps are not required and can be established or altered at any time. To set up clients, select Setup from the main menu, then select the Clients option. In the Client window, select Clients, Add New Client. This will create a blank row where you will enter relevant client information. First, enter a client number or letter prefix. This will allow Nittany Cow to track the client information internally, but it will not be displayed within a ration or ration report. Next, enter the client name, followed by prepared for and prepared by information. Last, enter a username, which may be the name of the end user of the ration. Once this information has been entered, click the Save button. If you wish to edit the client information entered, highlight any field in the appropriate row, then retype the appropriate information. If you wish to delete clients, highlight any field in the appropriate row, then select Clients, Delete Selected Client. Although Nittany Cow contains a comprehensive list of breeds that are common throughout the world, some users may be working with hybrids, rare breeds, or breeds that are specific to their region, so it may be useful to establish a custom breed. To do this, select Setup from the main menu, then select Breeds. This will display a list of the breeds currently available in Nittany Cow, along with the default information that is associated with each breed. To create a custom breed, select Breeds, then Add New Breed. This will create a blank row at the bottom of the Breeds window, which will allow you to enter the appropriate default information for the breed. First, select the type of cow, heifer, lactating cow, or dry cow. Then, type the name of the breed as you wish it to appear. If this is a heifer type, leave the lactation number at 0. Otherwise, enter the appropriate lactation number. Then, enter the appropriate default weight for this breed. Next, for lactating cows, enter the default milk production amount as well as milk protein and milk fat percentages. Leave these fields blank for dry cows or heifers. Last, enter the weighting assigned to a change of 1 unit of body condition, body weight, and calf weight. Once this information has been entered, click Save. This breed will now be available to associate with a ration, as we will see in Tutorial 2. Click the Exit button at the top of the window to return to the home screen. Finally, it is important to note where NittanyCow installs the required files on your computer. Moving or deleting these files will cause NittanyCow to malfunction, and it may result in permanent loss of data. NittanyCow installs files in 2 locations on your computer. Executable files are located in Program Files, and data files are saved in Documents. To locate NittanyCow program files, open the hard drive disk C and select Program Files. If your computer is a 64-bit system, you will see 2 program file folders. NittanyCow files will be located in the folder labeled Program Files x86, as you see here. All the stored data generated by the user in NittanyCow is stored in the Documents folder. For users using Windows XP, this folder will be labeled My Documents. In Documents, you can locate data files by opening the My NittanyCow folder. Do not move, alter, or delete the My NittanyCow folder, as this will cause the program to malfunction and valuable data could be lost. As we will see in Tutorial 10, this is also where important database backup files will be stored, which you can copy to a removable hard drive for safekeeping. This concludes NittanyCow Tutorial 1. For more information, contact help@nittanycow.com or visit our website. Be sure to view other tutorials on important NittanyCow functions and processes.